The pro bono program at Freshfields is the way that we give back. There is so much enthusiasm amongst our lawyers and our staff.
I genuinely believe in the ethic of pro bono. I think that it genuinely comes from a place of recognizing that we are fortunate to have a very specific skill set, and that we are able to use that skill set to help individuals who might not otherwise be able to advocate for themselves.
Freshfields, they was very professional and also compassion. I think compassion is very important in this kind of cases because I got there very desperate. I didn't believe no more on this case, and they gave me confidence, letting me know they can handle it. It was a gift of God, if I can use this word.
When the United States pulled its troops out of Afghanistan, creating a humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan, a great number of people fled the resurgence of Taliban leadership. And we knew that as a legal services provider here in New York, that a number of refugees would land here in our city. We put out a call to our pro bono partners to help us, and Freshfields was the very first firm to step up.
I have been working on an asylum application for an asylum seeker who fled Afghanistan because he had worked as an interpreter for the U.S. military. And unfortunately, we found ourselves in a situation where his interview was quite a combative setting, which neither he nor I were expecting. It came as a surprise to both of us to be able to pick up the phone and talk about what just happened and how should we address it? How do we navigate this situation? City Bar really was there every single step of the way.
Our client, when he was fleeing his home country, in the chaos of the airport, he lost the vast majority of his identification documents. Jen and the City Bar were extraordinary partners and resources to be able to lean on. She was helping us work through, the strategy of what other evidence we would be able to gather. When I received my client's asylum approval notice, I will admit that I cried when I opened it, because you work so hard, and these are individuals that have gone through so much that it just gives an extraordinary sense of fulfillment in a way that none of my other work does.
The fact that Freshfields has won every single one of the Afghan refugee asylum cases they've worked on with us truly speaks to extraordinary effort. Our honoring Freshfields tonight at this gala, it's a reflection of work that they've done, but it's also a vote of confidence, frankly, in our future together.
Knowing the number of people from the number of different law firms and organizations who are here in the room tonight supporting this event gives me hope that there is a good future ahead for the work that City Bar does.